Hi everyone, I wanted to show you this platform called LOOM because we will be doing video assessments soon. And it's free until July 1st, so I'm just going to show you a few different options. I am brand new to LOOM, and so I'm not an expert, but it has this little picture. You can make yourself bigger. Don't know that I want that. You can even go larger than that. You can move yourself around the screen, so when you go to do your presentation, if it's better over here in the lower right-hand corner, you can do that. Now, today, I'm going to show you how to add documents to your Google Drive. So I have emailed myself, I've done the Genius scan, and I have a document. So I'm not even going to open the document. I'm going to hover on the drive, which is a triangle, and it should pop up Save to Drive. You want to go ahead and click that drive icon, and another menu pops up, and you want to organize that document. So click on that blue Organize link. And then mine usually pops up in my drive. And so what you need to keep in mind is I shared the folder to you. So it's not going to show up in my drive. It's going to show up in Shared with Me. So you're going to go back and you should have this Shared with Me icon. So we're just going to click Shared with Me. And now you are going to look for your folder. So here's my folder. It's just a test folder. So you've got Honors Geo Notebook, which all of you should look like that, or Algebra Notebook. And you're going to click there. You want to make sure you hit Move, not just once, but you're going to click it twice. And then now you have moved that document into your folder. And so you can, of course, go to your drive now and make sure it's there. I'll see you all soon.